Hello students, how are you? Today we will be studying about input devices. So let us start now. Input devices are the devices which are used to input the data and programs into the computer. If we want to input in the computer, what we need? Input devices. These are the devices which are used to input our data into the computer. In the previous video, I have told you about IPO cycle. How does a computer work? How does it take input? And how does it process? And how does it gives output? If you have not seen my that video, I will provide a link in the description box. So let us start now. Input devices one by one. First input device is keyboard. It is an input device in computer which is used to enter data into the computer. It is the main input device in computer. Yes, here is a picture of keyboard. This is the main input device through which we can enter our data. In the keyboard we have alphabet keys, number keys and so many special keys. In this picture, man is giving input through the keyboard in the computer. Next input device is mouse. It is a pointing device in computer which is used to move the pointer around the screen. Here you can see this is a picture of mouse and it is a pointing device. Why we call it a pointing device? Because it is used to move the pointer on the screen. Here you can see this is a pointer and I am moving the pointer with the help of mouse. With the help of mouse we can make beautiful drawings also. Next input device is scanner. Scanner is an input device that scans documents such as photographs and text. When a document is scanned, it is converted into digital format that can be viewed and edited on a computer. Here you can see this is a scanner. If I put my photograph in this scanner, it scan my photo and convert into digital format. After that I can view, means see my photo on the computer and edit my photograph on the computer. Edit means change. If I want to change something, effects or any other thing, if you want to edit my photo in computer, after that I can edit my photograph. Next input device is microphone. Microphone is an input device to input sound that is then stored in a digital format. It is used to input sound in computer. If I want to store my song in computer, but we need microphone. Next is light pen. Light pen is a pointing device similar to pen. It is used to select a displayed menu item or draw pictures on the monitor screen. It is just like a pen. You see here, when you want to write on a notebook, what you need? Pen. Similarly, if you want to write on computer, what we need? Light pen. You can draw anything with the help of light pen. Next is trackball. Trackball is an input device that is mostly used in laptop computer instead of a mouse. This is a ball which is half inserted and by moving fingers on the ball the pointer can be moved. Here you can see this is a picture of trackball. It is used mainly in laptop computer. It is just like a mouse and here you can see the ball is half inserted and you can move the pointer by placing your finger on this ball. Next is MICR. MICR means magnetic ink card reader. It is an input device is generally used in banks. The bank's card number and the check number are printed on the checks with this special type of ink. This reading process is called magnetic ink character recognition. Here you can see the picture of MICR. This is an input device. It is used in banks to process the check. In the check you have seen the code number and the check number. These are printed with the special type of ink and used in MICR, and this process is known as magnetic ink character recognition. Next is OCR, optical character reader. It is also an input device which is used to read a printed text. It will scan printed text. It scans the text and store the text on the system memory. Here you can see this is OCR. It scans our printed text and store in computer. Next is barcode reader. Barcode reader is a device used for reading barcoded data. Barcoded data is generally used in labeling goods, numbering the books, etc. It scans a barcode image, convert it into an alphanumeric value, which is then fed to the computer that the barcode reader is connected to. Here you can see this is barcoded data. You have seen in books labeling so many good items, and these barcoded data is scanned by the barcode reader, and its barcode reader convert it into the alphanumeric value, and then we get the actual price of that particular book or item. Next is OMR. OMR means optical mark reader. Is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize the type of mark made by pen or pencil. It is specially used for checking the answer sheet of the examinations having multiple choice question. Here you can see this is a picture of OMR, optical mark reader. It is an input device which is used to check the answer sheet of competitive exams. Competitive exams nowadays are computerized, checked by the computer and checked by the OMR, optical mark reader, in which we have 4 options, and we have to circle one. We have to fill the circle of right answer with pen or pencil, and this will check. If the answer is correct, it will give, suppose it is of 1 marks, it will give +1. If the answer is wrong, it will give 0 marks. So what is the purpose of saying that? OMR is used to check the answer sheet in which we have multiple choice questions.